Hello, welcome to a quick unscripted tutorial video on how to bridge your RedFox tokens into the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. If you found this video just by accident, then I'd suggest going on to Twitter and following RedFox Labs and just getting some information about what's going on. Also their CEO, Bitcoin Benny, and then their website, RedFox Labs, and jumping into the community, Discord and things like that. All right, so I'm assuming everyone knows what RedFox is, has come this far, and they know how to buy it. If you don't know how to buy it, then let's pretend you're going to buy it from CoinSpot. So CoinSpot is an Australian exchange, very, very simple. Hopefully you've already been dollar cost averaging it if you're interested in it, but you just come into CoinSpot, RedFox Labs, and you just go and buy your RFOX. So we're also going to need some Ethereum in our MetaMask wallet, and we're also going to need some BNB, some Binance token in our MetaMask as well. So if you don't have any of that, you can get it from Binance, we can get it from CoinSpot as well. We'll go ahead and buy a little bit of Binance coin. Binance coin is the coin that's used for gas in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. It's not as expensive as Ethereum, it's a lot faster, a lot cheaper. It is a centralized kind of DeFi platform. But I'd probably suggest putting in at least maybe $30 or $50. That will get you 20 plus transactions quite comfortably. So we have our MetaMask set up, which is pretty standard. We'll be adding another network here, the Binance Smart Chain network shortly. But initially, let's go and withdraw our RFOX. Transaction fee is a little bit expensive. It's 100 RFOX tokens, which is currently valued at about 35 Australian dollars or so. All right, so we've decided how much we're going to take out of CoinSpot, and then we have gone to our MetaMask, copied our address, put it in here. You can save it if you want. Doesn't really matter. A quick little tip before you actually go and send this. Just double check the last 3 digits in the first 3 are correct. So that's all pretty obvious. Enter your 2-factor. And then we just get a little email that we just need to quickly go and confirm. I'll quickly confirm that. I've gone ahead and clicked the link in my email to verify that. So what we'll notice now, if we go to transactions, okay, it's already done. Well, it basically, until you click that email, it would say like pending, and then it'd be processing, and then it'd be complete. But that's great. Have a look at that transaction if we need to see when it's going to come. It's not going to be here immediately. That's okay. So we've already got some BNB as well. We're also going to send that onto the Binance Smart Chain. So it's going to be the same address. It's just on a different network. So copy that again, send, Smart Chain, it's all fine. We'll send all available here, BNB address, and like before, we'll add our code. Okay, I didn't notice this, but we have to have a minimum withdrawal of 0.1. So I'll quickly just go and buy some more. Okay, so we've got our BNB payment address, the withdrawal amount, our 2-factor, and now we just have the email that we need to approve. That's been verified. Now just be aware, if this is one of the first times that you're withdrawing from CoinSpot, they may need to actually speak to you on the phone. So just be aware of that. So first things first, let's go and see if our RFOX is in our wallet. Easiest way to do that is essentially come to Coingecko, go to RedFox Labs, look at the contract address, where all the coins are created from, the contract address. come here and we're going to add token. But because it's not a super popular token, we can't just type it in like we could with something like wrapped Bitcoin. So instead we'll go to a custom token, paste the contract, and there we are. It's all there, we're all good to go. All right, so basically, because what our goal is we're going to go to multichain.xyz, and we're going to send this across between the two networks. Now, the best time to do this is when gas prices are low. So how you can tell that is by checking gasnow.org and also txstreet.com. So at the moment, a little bit expensive, but it needs to be done. So that's what it's going to be done as. You can also see here the speed, how long each one takes. I personally do not send a transaction that's slow like this because sometimes it won't be confirmed. You just lose gas. So it's probably best to go standard or faster. Okay, so let's jump in here. RFOX, we're going to send that from here to the Binance Smart Chain. All is fine here. Limits are unlikely to apply to you unless you've got 3.4 million RFOX. Transfer. As you see, it's going to be a little bit expensive on gas. I'm going to speed it up to average or fast. I'll just do fast just for the sake of the video and bridge that across. Now, whenever you're trying to find contract addresses such as this one or anything like that, you need to go to the official sources, of course. So this is one of the docs on the RedFox.finance website. So this is where it goes over kind of how to bridge, how to buy, how to do everything. It's there's no video at the moment, so this is why I'm doing the video. Anyway, let's go and add the second network into our MetaMask. So I'll link this down below, but you can Google it. It's very easy to find. So it's Binance Academy, so it's part of Binance's website itself, so you know it's official there. And if we scroll down, it will give us all the mainnet details of what we're after. Probably the easiest way is just to put this onto a sticky note, to be honest. It'll just make it a little bit faster. So I'll just copy that. So the easiest way to actually enter this is we just go to custom RPC and we put in all the information here. There's one unfortunate thing, and that is if we were to click this and paste it in, it works, no dramas. However, if we click out and copy it and paste it in, it keeps on refreshing. So a way around that is, or to make it a little bit simple, is just go expand view, and then we'll do it like this. Custom RPC, bring this back up. Network name, Smart Chain, RPC, great. And the chain ID, everything's just copied exactly as it is. Fantastic. Close that, and you can see our BNB arrived here as well. So one of the first things we should do is we should add the token for RFOX. So we can find it very simply just by clicking on the RFOX token on RFOX's website and click on RFOX BSC token track page. And we just copy that address there. Jump in here, and we're just going to add token. And you can see that our RFOX has made it across. Okay, so while we're here, we may as well go and add the VFOX token as well. VFOX token, here it is, the contract address. As you can see, there's only one address at the moment. It's with the deployer. It hasn't started to be able to be traded. So we just kind of copy that, click that there, add another token, custom token, and keep that there. Now that's pretty much everything. You've got everything ready, bridged over for the other side. Now, one thing to get yourself a little bit set up with as well is if we could just quickly jump into Pancake Swap. We can connect our wallet here. So we can just go Trades, Exchange, connect our MetaMask. And this is just doing it so that we don't have to do it later. As once again, this is not a well-known crypto. This is where we can go and add RFOX and VFOX. So this here is VFOX. Add it. Now, if we were wanting to just find VFOX, we just type it in. That's good. And then we may as well grab this is the old contract. We'll copy that there. Paste that in there. Let it load. Add. As you can see from the tweet, these farms go live later tonight. I'll release another video shortly on impermanent loss, and then another video just relating to how to actually farm, just so you can actually see someone doing it so you don't make any mistakes yourself. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.